Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to view saved passwords on your iPhone. If you use your iPhone's built-in password manager, you can easily view all your saved passwords whenever you need them, and here's how to access. First, start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down, then tap on Passwords. It may be called Passwords and Accounts for an older versions like iOS 13 and earlier. Now unlock with Face ID, and this will take you to the full list of passwords stored in your iCloud keychain. On iOS 26, you can find the Passwords app along with your app drawer so you can access them easily, faster than the settings, but here we go. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar, then tap the website or app you want to check. Your username and password will appear on the screen. You can copy the password, edit it, or delete it if it's old or incorrect. And that's all there is to it. Your iPhone makes it easy to find and manage your saved passwords whenever you need them. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.